Big verdict on the Kolkata rape and murder case. The court has now decided to hand over the case to the CBI. High Court directs the case to be handed over to the CBI for further investigation. A mega India Today impact indeed. CBI taking over the probe Kolkata rape and murder case that has highlighted glaring lapses in ensuring protection and safety, security for our healthcare workers, particularly women working late shift. Now, the Kolkata High Court that was hearing the matter has also pulled up the Kolkata government and the West Bengal government, Mamata government, for the lapses, questioning why an SIT team hasn't yet been formed to investigate the matter. And while observing those angles, the court has directed the CBI to take up the case. Certainly, India Today has been reporting on the case right from day one, the gory nature with which the girl was raped and then murdered right at the hospital premises has really shocked the nation, pulling the healthcare fraternity out on the streets, demanding justice for the girl who was raped and murdered, and also safety going forward for medical practitioners.
Of Kolkata demanding justice for a 31-year-old junior doctor. She was brutally raped and murdered inside a hospital premises. Even today, we see citizen forums across the length and breadth of the society head the street demanding justice. Currently, we can see a citizen forum. They are carrying out a march to Arjikor Medical College from Kolkata's Shambazar area. We can see that demand for justice are being raised from several spectrum of the society. Not only that, the junior doctors, resident doctors are staging protests for last couple of days, halting medical facilities at outdoors at all across the state.
Central Act, and this is our main demand. Hospitals being declared as safe zones. He said we will examine closely with what is the possibility under the law of the land, and then he said he will consider it, and he will come out with a statement after our meeting.
But now that the High Court has recommended, in fact it has asked for the CBI from this in the entire matter, how do you see this?
Yeah, that's a very favorable thing that we consider, because there were a lot of conflict of interest which had come, and there were a lot of rumors going around. CBI as a central institution will have a morale boosting for the doctors, and perhaps the resident doctors may consider withdrawing their strike upon what are the things which come into it.
Last question, sir. Apart from asking for declaring hospitals as safe zone, what more requests you put forth in that particular demand which you while you held meeting with?
Apart from the safe zone and the Central Act, we brought to the attention that the doctor was on duty, went to the seminar hall just to sleep. And that shows that there are not adequate quarters, there are not adequate places where they can rest. So this was brought to his attention, and he was very much upset. And he has said that this is an area where he would like to do something.
Thank you. So IMA President R.V. Ashokan has told us that he along with few other members of IMA met with Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda and demanded that the hospitals must be declared as safe zones, and also Central Act must be implemented. He also was of the view that the entire matter should be given to CBI, but now the court has also said this, which is certainly a favorable decision in the favor of doctors. With Premchand Mishra, Piyush Delhi for India Today.
All right, let's quickly cut across to Piyush, who's just spoken to the IMA chief. Piyush, over to you on the multiple demands that IMA committee has made. In fact, they've also met with JP Nadda. Those are the visuals that we're beaming on our screens, where they've given the centre an ultimatum, in a way requesting the centre to come up with measures to ensure safety of healthcare professionals. And they've broken down a couple of demands, if you could elaborate for us.
Well, there were at least 5 to 7 demands. Those were put forth by the IMA while they met with Union Health Minister JP Nadda. They were demanding that the entire matter should be given to CBI, which certainly we know that it has already been given by a High Court to CBI. They were also demanding that the hospitals must be declared as safe zones. And also their central act must be implemented there. So there were around 5 to 7 demands. So those were being put forth by the delegation which met with Health Minister JP Nadda. But we are also given to understand is that after meeting with JP Nadda, the delegation of Indian Medical Association will be travelling to Kolkata tonight itself, and they are going to assess the situation there, and then they will be submitting a report to the Health Ministry. So there are various things those are put forth by the IMA. They were also demanding that there should be a partial investigation in this entire matter. Now the matter has been given to Central Bureau of Investigation. We can certainly expect the truth to come out very soon. They were also of the view that Health Ministry should intervene in this entire case and also issue some directions. What we are also given to understand is that very soon the Health Ministry is also going to issue a statement on this big meeting which just convened at the Union Health Ministry. So it was a crucial meet which took place between the IMA delegation and Health Minister JP Nadda, where the IMA delegation has put forth 5 to 7 demands, and they are now telling us that after meeting with JP Nadda also considered the important points which they raised during that particular meeting.